In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Notion. A simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you're new to Notion and eager to learn how to organize your thoughts effectively, you've come to the right place. Creating lists in Notion is a fantastic way to keep track of tasks, ideas, or any information you want to organize clearly. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up Notion and navigate to the page where you want to add your list. Once you're on the desired page, you'll start by typing a simple command, / followed by the word list. So type /list and press enter. This command will bring up a few different types of lists that you can add to your page, such as a bullet list, a numbered list, or a to-do list. For today, we'll focus on creating a simple list that allows you to easily organize your information. Next, after you've typed /list and selected your preferred list type, Notion will automatically create the first list item for you. You'll see a prompt that says, "Click to add," and this is where the magic begins. Click on this prompt, and you'll be able to start typing the first item for your list. This is where you can add any tasks or notes you want to keep track of. Remember, this is all about capturing your ideas or tasks in a way that is easy to review and manage. Once you've added your first item, pressing enter will create a new line, allowing you to continue adding more items to your list. You can keep this process going until you've got everything down. Adding items to your list is straightforward, but if you've missed something or need to include additional details, it's effortless to go back and edit these entries whenever you need. As your list takes shape, you might find that the order of the items needs some tweaking. Fortunately, Notion makes reordering your list items a breeze. Simply click and hold on the small icon that appears next to each item. It looks like a small dotted grid. Then, drag the item up or down to reorder your list according to your preferences. This feature is particularly helpful when priorities change, or when you think of a better sequence for your tasks or thoughts. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a list in Notion. Not only have you learned how to add list items, but you also mastered reordering them to suit your organizational needs. Whether you're planning your day, structuring a project, or jotting down grocery items, lists in Notion are an incredibly versatile tool. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.